Are you sick and tired of short charging cables for your phone, your computer, your laptop? You need one of these. Check this out. On top of how long it is a universal charging cable that has 4 different ports on it. Check that out. So not only is it long and you can get them longer, but you don't have to have multiple cables. It's all in one. There is multiple colors if you like different colors. There is multiple sizes, and it also comes with a cute carrying case. So guys, if this would help you, click that card.